Namaste to all of you, Master Jay here. Welcome again to my YouTube channel Jay Yoga Academy. And if you are new on this channel, please subscribe it and give me your comments and feedback. So welcome guys, and today I'm making this video regarding some new balancing pose and some variation. So here today we'll do the tree pose Vrikshasana, eagle pose Garudasana, Natarajasana pose Asana, and the warrior 3 pose Virabhadrasana III asana. So the 4 pose, and we can do some variation. I will add in this so you can enjoy all the asanas here. So first of all we will do the tree asana, the simple pose tree asana. So in the tree asana, what we have to do, we have to make a balance, just standing pose, bend your one leg, hold your ankle, try to put the foot onto the inner thigh of yours here. Just try to make balance, make sure your leg will be straight, your knee should be onto the side. So when you are putting your foot, don't put your foot on your knee, either try to put downside or maybe you can put it on the upper side. So just try to make balance, try to keep your back straight, and here you can put your both palm front of your chest, or you can straight your hands up also. Just make balance like a tree. 5. So whenever you are making a balance, try to concentrate at one place, control on your thoughts and control on your breath. 2 and 1. Slowly come back, inhale, exhale, just relax. So the same pose we will do with the opposite side. Hold ankle, straight leg, put your foot inside here and both hands up, palm together. If you are a beginner, you can stay in this pose. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly come back, inhale and exhale. So in the beginning, if you cannot make balance, you can stand near to the wall and you can do this pose. So in the same pose we add some variation. So what type of variation you can add? So suppose you are in a tree pose here. So the first variation, you can put your hand down, put it on your knee and slightly bend to the side here. And more, you can bend to the opposite side also, this side. Slowly make balance. Just try to make balance and come back. So you have to do with the both side in the tree pose. Okay. So next is the eagle pose Garudasana. So in this pose, straight leg, feet slightly together. After that, bend your knee and then cross your left leg to the right first and try to hold it in this, and then hand front. So here you have to cross your hand also the same like the leg and try to both palm together. So here you have to make balance, try to keep your back straight, slightly bend here. 5, 4, back straight, 3, 2, 1. If you want some variation in this, so you can bend front also and you can make balance. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you want, you can open your hand also and come back. So the same position, just relax your leg first. So variation sometime you can change, otherwise you just only do the simple eagle pose. So we do the opposite side, just bend your knee, cross your leg, hold it. Your knee should be front. And after that, hand position change, back straight, yes, stay in this pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So here you can hold it and then you can come back and relax your legs. Take inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale. Okay, so third balancing pose is the Natarajasana, dancing pose. So in this pose, what we have to do, we have to bend our leg and hold our ankle like right leg bend, hold it, left hand up, inhale, and slowly exhale here. So just try to make a balance. If you cannot make balance, you can hold the wall also, and if you want to add variation, so here you can put your hand down and you can hold it, this one, and then come back. So the same pose you can try with the opposite leg bend. The same I told you, you can hold anything, and also you can try with this, like this. Just try to hold something. If you want, you can hold it with the both hand also. And if you want more, you can do it with the both hand also, little bit more challenging. For the advanced practitioner, just bend it, and you have to rotate your shoulder like this. You can do with strap, it will be more easy for you, and I have proper video on this, so you can check it, that one. Just try to hold and bend. So you can do the Natarajasana dancing pose. Okay. So in the last we come to the Warrior 3, Virabhadrasana 3 pose. So it's also a balancing pose. So in this pose, what you have to do, you have to make balance onto the one leg. So for the beginning, just put your one leg front, like the left leg front, right leg behind, heel up, hands up, palm together, inhale, and lift your shoulder, lift your spine, and then exhale. Slowly bend front, look down. So here you need to remember your hand, shoulder, your leg level should be same, hip align same line. If you want to add variation, you can open your hand and you can put your hands down and legs up. Here also you can do it. So we will do with the opposite side the same. Right leg front, heel up, hands up, inhale, exhale here, slow. If you cannot make balance in the beginning, you can put your palm together front of the chest, or you can open your hand to the side also. So this is a very good pose for increased strength in your leg. Just try to hold maximum as you can, and after that you can put your hands down, hold, and come back. So this is the last balancing pose. So you can practice every day to increase, stamina, strength, more concentration power. Very helpful pose, all the balancing pose. So things need to remember when you are making any balancing pose. First, focus. Try to focus, try to concentrate, and try to avoid thoughts. Like whenever you do the asana practice, don't think too much. Your mind, your body, both should be at one place. It's not like your body is here, but your mind is not here. So if you do like this, so you cannot hold the pose, and the pose will not give you any benefit. So please guys, if you like it, give me your comments, and don't forget to subscribe Jai Yoga and share my video as much as you can. See you into the next video. Hari Om. Namaste.